Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, The Math Habit. Today we will solve a tricky square root math problem and we'll find the value of x from this impression. So let's go for the solution of this tricky square root math problem in which we have to find the value of x. As our problem is under root x by under root x by under root x by under root x is equal to 5, then here at this point, if we take the whole square on both sides of the equation or problem, then we can further simplify it easily. So this and this will be cancelled out and we can write this impression as x under root x by under root x by under root x is equal to 5 part 2. Here, for further simplification, we have to take the whole square on both sides of the equation again. So, if we see that this impression can be written as x into this whole square root. So there are basically two entities, x on outside of the square root and this whole body inside the square root. So if we apply the math formula, as we know that a into b whole power x is equal to, or can be written as a power x into b power x. So this formula will apply on left hand side of this equation, and for this side of the equation we have another math formula which is x power a whole power b can be written as or equal to x power a into b. So here we have two math formulas which will apply on left hand side and right hand side of the equation respectively. So let's apply. By applying, we will have x whole square into x by under root x by under root x whole square on left hand side, and on the other side of the equation by applying this formula we will get 5 part 2 into 2, as 2 and 2 will get multiplied, both are parts to the 5. Now here we can see that this and this will be cancelled out by the whole square and we'll get only x square into x under root by x under root is equal to 5 2 into 2 4 5 bar 4. Now by using another math formula which states that x power a into x power b can be written as x a plus b. This actually states that if the bases are same, then parts can be added to each other. So by applying this to these both x values, we can write these as x 2 plus 1, as here the power of x is 1 into under root x by under root x is equal to 5 power 4. So again we'll take square on both sides of this equation. As this is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 into x under root x 5 bar 4. So by taking square root on both sides of this equation like it, we will have the impression as x cube whole square and under root x into under root x whole square is equal to 5 4 into 2 by using this formula. Okay, now this can be written as 3x power 3 into 2 into this, and this will be cancelled out, and we'll only have x and under root x is equal to 5 4 into 2 is equal to 8 5 power 8. This can be written as x power 6 into x under root x is equal to 5 power 8. As again the bases are same, so parts can be added up each other by the help of this math formula. So this impression can be written as x 6 plus 1 into under root x is equal to 5 power 8. X 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 under root x is equal to 5 power 8. Now here we have to take square whole square on both sides of the equation again, both sides. So by taking whole square on both sides, we'll again get x 7 whole square into x whole square, and on left hand side of the equation we'll have 5 8 into 2 x 7 into 2 14 x power 14. This and this will be cancelled out. X power 1 is equal to 5 power 16. Here bases are again same and powers will be added up, and we'll get x power 15 is equal to 5 power 16. Now at this very important point, we'll have to take powers 1 by 15 on both sides, as x power 15 whole power 1 by 15 is equal to 5 power 16 whole power 1 by 15. As you can see that here we have x power 15 whole power 1 by 15 is equal to 5 power 16 whole power 1 by 15. So 15 and 15 on left hand side will be cancelled out, and x power 1 will be remained here, and 5 power 16 by 15. So x will be equal to 5 power 16 by 15. Here we have found the final answer to our this tricky square root math problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit. Till then, wait for my next video, and you can also recommend me the problems in the comment section. Take care, bye.